Spending money isn't fun, but you have to spend money to make money. In QuickBooks, you can record your bills, purchases, and expenses no matter how you paid for them, by check, credit card, debit card, or online payment. First, let's talk about bills that come in the mail, like your utility bill, phone bill, or bills for inventory. You don't have to pay them right away, so you can choose one of two ways to handle these bills in QuickBooks. The first method includes two steps. 1. Record the bill when you receive it. 2. When it's time to send your payment, record those payments on the Pay Bills screen. This method takes longer, but it gives you accurate records because you record the expense when you incurred it, and you always know how much you owe. If you don't want to record two steps and you don't track many bills, there's another way. You don't record the bill in QuickBooks until you pay it. Instead, just enter a check if you used one to pay the bill, or record an expense if you paid it any other way. Some people call this the open drawer method because they open a drawer, stuff their bills in it, and don't look at them again until it's time to pay them. This method doesn't track accounts payable or what you owe. Now let's talk about the stuff you pay for right away. If you used a check, record it as a check in QuickBooks. If you paid any other way, like with a debit card, credit card, or electronic funds transfer, use the expense form to record it in QuickBooks. Or you can connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks so your expenses download automatically. You'll still have to enter some of them by hand, like meals and travel and entertainment, but it'll take much less time. So, you've diligently entered bills and expenses into QuickBooks in a timely fashion. How does that help you? QuickBooks shows how much you owe and which bills are late. You can see where you're spending your money. QuickBooks reports can show how much you've spent with each vendor and a whole lot more about how you're managing your business expenses. Come tax time, you'll have your expense reports ready to go. Now it's your turn. Try entering a check or an expense, or enter and then pay a bill. As always, thanks for using QuickBooks.